Hey everybody, Kathryn here with another MyCom tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to take photos and videos simultaneously on iPhone. All the recent iPhones are equipped to multitask, and that's especially true for the camera app. The iPhone camera can take photos and videos simultaneously, helping you capture every moment entirely and efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll go over 2 different ways to do this, plus some helpful tips to keep in mind. Take photos while recording in video mode. In the camera app, swipe to video mode. To start recording, tap the red record button in the center, or press either volume button on the side. A white circle will appear in the corner of your screen. Which corner will depend on which way you're holding your phone. This is your shutter button for taking photos. So tap this button to take a photo without interrupting your video recording. When you're done, tap the red button again to stop your recording. Your photos and videos will be saved in your photos album. Record video while in photo mode. In the camera app, swipe to photo mode. To record video, press and hold the white shutter button or either volume button. The shutter button will turn red, indicating your camera is now recording. To go into hands-free recording, drag the red button to the lock position that appears, adjacent to the button you're holding. Now tap the white shutter button to take photos while your camera continues recording. Press the red stop button to end the recording. Your photos and videos will be saved to your photos album. Tips to keep in mind. The photos taken while recording video will be lower resolution than photos taken when your phone isn't recording, and they won't be live photos. But they will be higher quality than if you were to take a screenshot of your video later. When you're recording video in photo mode, the video will be 1080p format. It can't be ProRes or 4K. The dual capture feature doesn't work in portrait mode, time-lapse mode, cinematic mode, and it doesn't work when you're recording in ProRes format. And that's how to take photos and videos simultaneously.